Alright. Hello YouTube. Here's a review of the new Cheerson. Yeah. This is the Cheerson CX10D. This is the altitude hold model.
Yep, there it is.
I'm getting a little assistance from my daughter here. She thinks that's so funny. So, alright. We'll see how this goes. So, this is a pretty cool little quad.
Yep, it is.
It's got the altitude hold, which is very, very nice.
Yep.
Then we have altitude hold on this, which is really a nice feature. And this thing's surprisingly sporty. I didn't expect that. I have flown the last model, the Cheerson CX10D. Man, it didn't fly like this. We have 3 rates, which are activated by pressing down on the left hand throttle. And we have auto takeoff, which is activated from the what used to be would be a trim. There's throttle takeoff, auto takeoff. You press here, and then auto landing. You press here. If you don't want to use auto takeoff, you can arm the quad by pulling both sticks down to the bottom left here, bottom right there. And similarly, when you go to land, that will disarm the quad too, when you go down to that. We have 3 rates by pressing on those. 1, 2, 3, and this one gets fast. I'm pretty surprised. We got 1 trim, but which works for that, and just for the left and right. What else? Calibration. This is interesting. When you want to calibrate the quad, you need to go to rate 3. We'll do it right here. Let me just demonstrate. To calibrate, which I had to calibrate. Is when I got this in, it needed calibration because it was flying a little funny. So, actually, we'll do that. Arming sequence. Up, down, armed. Does not spin. So, it will do auto takeoff, which will bounce it right up fast, as I found. Or, you can do both sticks down, but if you get this, do this first. Oh. Okay. Go to 3, both sticks down, hold them down, both sticks to the right, lights stop flashing, you're calibrated. And then, make a little space here, and pull to arm, both sticks down, left, right. Now it's armed. And you can disarm the same way. Disarmed. And it does have auto takeoff and auto landing, which I'm not going to do right here, because auto takeoff shoots up pretty quick. And it gets you a few feet off the ground fast. But, which is fine, it gets it in a good hover mode, but not off the table. I'll demonstrate that in the video shortly here. Alright, here we go. Flight time.
Now we have the altitude hold model, which works surprisingly well for such a little thing. We'll get right to the flight here, alright? So, turn on the quad. And you want to turn on the transmitter. Mind, up, down. And it has auto takeoff, or you can arm the motors and then take off manually. So, arming the motors, both sticks down to the outside. And shut them off, both sticks down, shuts it off too. I'm going to do auto takeoff, which we'll do here. Auto takeoff, up on this button. Auto landing, It's down there, so let's try that. And up she goes. Alright. It's about auto landing. And down it goes. She's down. Alright, we'll do an auto takeoff. Up she goes. What's that? That's a micro drone. It's just kind of neat because it kind of holds altitude, so you don't have to do a whole lot of messing around with it. Well, still going.